If your Nintendo Switch gets stuck on the checking if software can be played screen, it typically means there's a problem verifying the license for your digital game. The issue often arises when you're using the same Nintendo account on two different consoles. When you set up a Nintendo account, one console is automatically registered as the primary console. Any other console using the same account becomes a secondary console. This error usually appears on the secondary console, especially if there's a poor or unstable internet connection, because it needs to contact Nintendo servers to confirm the game license every time you launch a game. So if you want to fix it, try out this method. Grab your primary console at hand, basically the Nintendo Switch you use first with your Nintendo account. Go to Nintendo eShop from your home screen, choose your profile, then wait for it to load up. After it loads up, tap on your profile in the top right corner of the screen. This is the account information page. Now scroll down on the right side of the screen. Find the deregister option. Open it up. Now log into your Nintendo account with your sign-in method and follow the rest of the on-screen prompts to deregister your Nintendo account. Once you have deregistered your account from this console, the other console of yours will be registered as the primary console automatically. With that, your issue should be fixed. But remember, the issue only pops up on non-primary switches, so by deregistering the switch, you're also opening the possibility of the same error popping up on this console. And that's a wrap. Hopefully your issue is now history. If this video helped you out, go ahead and smash the like button. It really helps the channel grow. Want more handy tips and fixes like this? Subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss a thing. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.